Nice swings on Dow Jones and Nasdaq yesterday. Good drop and a good rise. What a swingful day. I hope you profited on the both sides, on the levels to go short and the go long levels as well. Now, what is going to happen today? Which trade you should take? What levels you should enter? Everything I am going to tell you with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest analysis. The next analysis on Dow Jones and Nasdaq will be just up before the US cash session. Do watch that also. Let's start the day with Nasdaq 100 first. Interestingly, US 100 is something which is trading more bearish than any other instrument right now. And see, yesterday, despite it was trading below 11,600 levels, it showed a sharp recovery. Now look at the hourly charts. Definitely, as I told you, on the upside one has to go long only once you see it above 11,900 for sure. I am again reiterating, once you see it again above 11,900, then only one should go long, else till the time it is below 11,900 one can remain short. Now for the day, rather I will say, this zone at 11,780 levels is going to be important. If it breaks below 11,780, one can go short there. And yes, 11,900 is something I'll be watchful of. Above 11,900, one has to close the shorts and stay long there. Now look at the directional movement is bearish here. It has crossed over for a sell again. And if you look at the stochastic is overbought, looking downwards from here. MACD is trying to converge. It is still trading in green, and RSI looking upwards. Mixed signals from the indicators right now. Now look at the 2 hour charts. Here it is shown higher lows. Here it is showing lower highs. And if you consider this, yes, there is for it still room to rise till towards 11,980, 12,000 levels for it to sustain this channel. And probably it can try to trade in this before looking forward to a breakout either on the upside or downside. So right now US 100 is trading in this channel where the lows for the day are at around 11,640, 650 levels, and the highs at around 11,980 levels. Now look at the directional movement is bearish here. The stochastic is overbought here again, so hardly any move, but the stochastic has again come back to overbought levels, hence a drop can be expected. The MACD interestingly has crossed over. This is just the second green candle, and that is what makes it that is what shows it that there is still bullishness there on US 100. The RSI is looking upwards, and it is trading flat like in the middle of the zone there. Now look at the 3 hour charts. On the 3 hour charts, there is a definite resistance here at 11,870 levels. Somewhere here it is trying to get a resistance, and yes, there is a support here at 11,780. And as I said, only long entry I will recommend is beyond 11,900. Only short entry is below 11,780. In between these 120 points, I will request you to just wait and watch. See, yesterday also I told you to go long only above 11,920, and precisely it honored those levels. Now look at the directional movement. It is bearish, trying to converge. The stochastic is near to overbought levels, and the MACD has just crossed over. This is the first green candle, so let's be still watchful here in between these 120 points. The RSI is trading flat, and if you look at the 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts, you'll find that this is the 20 period moving average, and it is trying to trade within this zone. Beyond that, then the next target is towards 12,100 only. So yes, breaking 11,900, the next target 11,980, and then 12,100 can be seen. It can again try to come back to those levels. At the same time, on the downside, one can see here on the 4 hour charts, higher lows are seen here. Higher lows, lower highs on the 4 hour charts indicates that it is trying to consolidate a bit before it tries to give you a strong breakout. Either which ways it can go down, up, that needs to be seen there at that point. However, right now it is trying to trade in a consolidatory fashion. Now look at the directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is looking upwards, indicating bullishness there. The MACD on the 4 hour charts has also crossed over, and this is the first green candle. So I'll be watchful how it behaves in the next candle. That needs to be observed a little. RSI is trading flat. Look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, it is very clear that the bottom of this Bollinger Bands and the Donchian channel giving it a very strong support. So now again the support here at 11,500 is very strong, and then 11,400 levels, and it is trying to trade within this channel itself. The bottom is giving the stronger support. At the same time, the 20 period moving average is the resistance level which it is having right now. The resistance here at 12,400. So now look at the daily charts also. On the daily charts, see these previous two candles almost inversely proportional to each other. The higher or bigger tail, bigger upper wick, upper body there, bigger tail here, and now this candle opening below this previous candle, indicating that there could be little more bearishness. So yes, a breakout only should be considered once it trades above 11900. At the same time, below 11780 here, yes, you can go short below 11780. Then the target is 11700, very strong support, and below that we may see it going till towards 11600, 500 levels. On the directional movement on the daily charts is strongly bearish, extremely bearish. It is wide divergent. The stochastic is looking upwards from here, but the slope is not much. The direct MACD is trading flat, not showing hand in hand, not showing bullishness, not showing bearishness. The stochastic is near to bottom. So considering this, only long entry today on US100 is above 11900. For above 11900 you can stay long, and then one can expect 12,050, 12,100 levels. Yes, 11,980 first target, 12,050 second target, 12,100 third target. Beyond that, definitely it will fly for 12,300, 400 levels. On the downside, once it breaks below 11,780, yes, you can go short for 11,700, 11,600, and then 11,500 levels. In fact, 11,400 is also achievable. Below 11,780, Nasdaq 100 will only talk in terms of 100. So take your positions accordingly. On the upside, breaking 11,900, we can say that it is going to reverse. Do not trade for 120 points and take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at US30. So US30 on the hourly charts getting the resistance here at 32060 and trying to reverse the trend from here, but I'll be watchful of these levels again. This is the top of the Donchian channel and the Bollinger Bands at 32100. Also this will cause create this upward trending channel on the hourly charts, which will continue for it to remain in this sideways but yet bullish momentum to continue. So yes, 30 to 100 levels something we should watch out for, and the directional movement is bullish here on the hourly chart. The stochastic is overbought and the MACD is trying to converge here, probably showing some that it may try to converge crossover. Hence I'll be watchful of 32050, 100 levels. RSI looking upwards, and similarly on the 2 hour charts, if you look at now on the 2 hour chart too, 32060 levels providing it a resistance. Also look at this, the Bollinger Band stop is at around 32100. Definitely these levels should provide very stronger resistance for US100, US30 there. Also one can go short below 31950. Below 31950 the next target is 31900. Then it will try to come back till towards 31820, and below that we can again see it falling strongly on the downside. The directional movement is bearish here on the 2 hour chart. The stochastic is overbought. That is something I'll be cautious of. And also the MACD is wide divergent and is still bullish there. So this is a bullish indication, and RSI trading flat there. Now look at the 3 hour charts. Double top is done here, and with that is double top, it is also got the double bottom there. So 31,900 to 32,050 level, this is what we are looking forward to. It has to break either which ways, and any breakout above or below definitely will give it a stronger move on the upside or downside. Now look at this, see the directional movement is trying on the verge of a crossover there for a bullish move, but it is failing to do so. The stochastic is overbought. I'll see how it sustains. It can sustain for a little and then drop. The MACD is wide divergent and is still bullish. And if you look at the RSI, this is looking downwards, sloping downwards a little. On the 4 hour charts too, almost it is achieved higher highs, or rather double top is done, and with that it is trying to drop a little. I will be cautious of the second red candle. It, because of the stronger green candle here, it can try to retrace back a bit. The downside support here is at around 31,800. Below 31,800 there could be again extreme bearishness. The directional movement is trading flat. The stochastic is overbought and the MACD trading in green there, indicating bullishness. RSI trading with the upward slope but trading little bit of a flatter move. Now look at the candlestick on the daily charts. So see, it is trying to trade within this. Now even if it is trading in this channel, there is a, the previous candle failed to show the same bullishness there. Now look at this here, the body size is also diminished and the tail was large enough for it to sustain. So yes, a long entry beyond 32050, or rather I say 32100 is only I will recommend. Beyond 32100 one can expect that it will try to hit 32300 and 32400 levels, somewhere in between it may try to strike. Now why I am saying so, see, this is the 20 period moving average which will come into picture at this zone first, 32 220, 32 240, and then 32 400 level. So it may try to strike this zone here if it continues to trade above 32 100. Else I'll be expecting it to retrace back a bit on the downside, and this time because the top is flat there, probably we will be looking forward to a little drop. 32 31 800 definitely should be a support, then 31 600. Below that we can expect a sharper fall which will try to take it towards 31 300 levels again. So take your positions accordingly. Do not trade till 32 100, do not go long till 32 100. And directional movement is here, it is bullish there. The MACD has crossed over and this is just the second green candle, so I'll be still cautious. It can continue to uh, rise, but see, it hardly takes a red candle, strong red candle, for it to again cross over for a sell there. RSI is trading flat. Considering this, see, yes, you can go short below 31 950. The target is 31 880, 31 800 levels. So these two levels, something you can expect that may provide a very strong support for US30 today. And any draw below 31 800, definitely it will try to take it towards 31 720, 31 600, and 31 500. In fact, below that it will try to hit 31 350 levels, which is a stronger support. Below that we may see it dropping sharply. So yes, you can remain short below 31 950. At the same time, above 32 100 only, I will recommend you to go long. In between these 150 points, do not trade and do not take any position. Take your trades accordingly, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Stay tuned with the latest analysis. Join my mentorship batch. The 11th batch is starting on 6th of June. Reach out to me for more details on regarding to your training or trading related queries. My email ID and Telegram IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.